Hello, 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 and thank you so much for stopping by. I'm Soraya Moshe. Welcome to The World According to Soraya. For those of you who do not know, I'm an estate planning attorney in South Carolina, and I help seniors and families with special needs plan for the unexpected and protect their valuables. All right, so we are wrapping up our back to school series. Throughout the month of July, I told you that contrary to popular belief, estate planning starts at 18, and that your 18-year-olds, your college age babies, whether they're staying home or going away, should have certain estate planning documents in place. Specifically, I told you they should have a healthcare power of attorney so that if they are incapacitated and are unable to consent, you will be empowered to help them. Also, I told you they should have a durable or power of attorney for finances, even if they're broke, so that again, if they're incapacitated, you can make financial and other decisions on their behalf. Told you they should also have a living will so that they can express their wishes, whether or not they want to be on life support or receive other life-sustaining treatment. Today, we're going to talk about wills and trusts. Now, unlike the other documents I mentioned, a will or a trust may not be necessary for every 18-year-old, but there are situations where it is an absolute must. So, if you have a baby, an 18-year-old, who happens to be a parent, even if they have no assets to speak of, they should absolutely have a will in place. Why? Because if something happens to them, they want to be able to designate who they want to take care of that child. This is especially important if they have an absent or inactive parent on the other side. A trust. Again, not absolutely necessary for every 18-year-old, but if you have a college-age child who has a large lump sum of money that they've come into, or they received a large inheritance, and you don't want them to blow it partying while they're in college, having a trust in place would provide options for you to put some parameters, put some structure around those funds so that perhaps they'll have a little bit of it left over to use when they are a little bit older and are in their right mind. All right, so if you didn't know that in some cases, even a broke 18-year-old may need a will, now you know, and I'll see you next time.